Morning. Just decided to start a video diary on my car and what's been done to it, what the power outage is at this point and what's coming. Let's give you a bit of a look. So it's a 2002 VYSS Commodore 5.7 litre Chev. First thing I did when I bought it was get rid of the factory wheels. Got some nice 18-inch Alissi wheels. They were silver. I opted for painted rims. I decided to sand them back and undercoat and paint them myself to change them to black. Had it lowered. Then second thing I did, just to get it breathing a little bit better, it's a full 3-inch X-Force twin system. Makes it sound a hell of a lot better, but it's still quiet. I didn't want it too loud. Got myself a bonnet scoop. It's functional. The way it works is the air gets pushed into the front vent, into the holes in the bonnet that I've cut, and the hot air gets expelled from the back. Just makes it breathe a little bit better. I'll just give you a look under the bonnet. Basically the tortoiseshell engine cover's gone. It's got some really nice gold painted or orange LS1 5.7 litre covers. The SS induction growler cold air induction system. I've got coming sometime this or next week big mouth SS induction 79mm throttle body. It's the X-Force mandrel bent extractors. That's about it for now under the bonnet. I've got coming a Pro Charger supercharger with a intercooler. At the moment with the MAFless tune, which is they take the airflow meter off, they delete all the factory settings of the computer of the engine which slow it down, and they tediously remap your computer for you, which gives you a lot more power. From standard now it's 241 rear kilowatts. Hopefully once the Pro Charger's on there, with different tunes done and a few other modifications, it should get around about 380 to 400 rear, possibly rear wheel kilowatts with a few other details. That's it for that. When it's supercharged, I'm getting a personalised plate, which I won't disclose at the moment because I don't want someone else getting it. And inside, just a couple of basic things. Change the standard stereo system, put a Kenwood CD player in. It's quite good. Now I've got the gauge holders. It's usually just flat, that plastic there, but now it's ready for a boost gauge and an oil pressure gauge once the supercharger's in. Now in the back, you can't see them because I've hidden them behind the standard cover, but there's two 7x10 Kenwood split speakers. Plenty of bass, it sounds awesome. And then in the boot, helps if you open it, but in the boot, just got a Fusion amp and sub, which will be getting changed, but it sounds okay for now. There's the amp. And that's about it. I'll keep you informed on what's happened and what comes next and what the power differences are and how she goes. I'll just give you a bit of a sound before we go. Alrighty, stay tuned.